Hi, I wanted to demonstrate. The, the Bluetooth functions that we can have with the IC-7000. So we need this kind of Bluetooth transceiver, and we just plug it into the 700. Okay, and then we will need something like this, and yeah, a Bluetooth enable. A Bluetooth enable headset, and we switch it on, and this one we will be switching it on. It is searching. Okay, it will take some minutes, or probably seconds, hopefully. Yeah. So this one is a transceiver or a receiver. So I have put it in the transmitter. So it is searching for a possible pair. So I got a pair finally after 3 tries. Okay. So this is the one side. If we go, you will get the sound here. So if we try, for instance, we can try wide FM. So we have the sound here. Okay, if we take it from here, you will have it here. Okay, let's go back to the USB. Okay, so we have this pair, so at least we can receive with it. And then there is another device which we can take. It is this one. It is a microphone from ICOM, and this is the receiver. So on the receiver side, we need to plug it. This is an they have like different versions. This is for an ICOM, and we just go and plug it into the device here. Okay, so we have this one, and
power on, pairing.
Let's put it on power on. It is pairing. So this one, and then got pair. Looks like. No. Yep, seems to be connected. So on this one, we can transmit. So basically, hello 1 2, hello 1 2, hello 1 2 3. So now we can have totally control the 7000 with Bluetooth on both sides, transmission and reception. I'm still receiving. Hello 1 2 3. Hello 1 2 3. Hello 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Still can have some monitoring. And so we can have some monitoring from what we are transmitting. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Hello 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Hello 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, so basically this is this small device. I was trying to get this one with reception and transmission. I was not able to do it because it doesn't seem to pair twice. Okay, but at least we have both. We have the reception on the headphones. So this is a complete setup, and this is also the the normal Bluetooth headphones. Okay, I hope you enjoy it, and ICOM 73.